G'day and welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to explain to you how a turbocharger works and where the pipes run on a BMW. This is a 2-litre diesel with a turbocharger on it. This part you're seeing here, the rusty part, this here is the turbocharger. What happens with the turbocharger, the exhaust comes out of the engine and actually feeds in to that and spins a fan. And on the other side, it's actually in underneath over here, it spins an air pump. So the exhaust drives an air pump, which then forces air into the engine. Now, you've got pipes running all over the place here. You've got a charge pipe up there. But after the turbo, it actually has to stay really, really sealed in order to maintain that boost and that pressure and drive into the engine. Now, what happens, it runs from the front there. You see that really big pipe there? It runs across and it runs into what's called an intercooler. That's, it runs across a radiator type thing, which cools the air. The cooler the air is when it goes into an engine, the more efficiently it burns. So it comes from the turbo. So exhaust comes out, spins the turbo, spins a fan, which pumps the air. It actually sucks down from this guy here. I'll get the top air cleaner and show you that. So it draws its air down from there, and then once it's under pressure from the turbo, it goes into the intercooler there. And then on the other side, down the bottom there again, you see that huge pipe, that guy there, that's coming out of the intercooler. So the intercooler runs across the bottom of the radiator, and then that charge pipe comes up, and you see it actually goes into here and enters the engine at this point. So this is your air coming into the engine, and it's under charge from the turbo. And when I say under charge, it's under pressure from the turbocharger. That's where it comes in. Now up the top here, you see we've got this intake and this intake. This guy here is the cold air intake. So this is coming in under here. You don't want to draw air for your engine. Again, I said you want it to be cool, not hot. So you don't want to draw it from the engine compartment here. So this is a cold air intake so that it can get its air. You can see down there, it's running out, and it'll be getting its cold air from here coming in the grill. Here is the air cleaner that sits on top. So this actually plugs into the front of the air cleaner here, and that is the air that sucks down and goes into the turbo, gets pressurized, and then through the intercooler. So it is actually drawing, if you see in there, it's looking inside the air cleaner element. So the air can come from the cold air intake here, and on this guy there's also a fresh air intake coming in from the engine bay. It all draws in and then it gets sucked down into the turbo down there. So that's where it all is. When I had this first explained to me, someone said that this was the charge pipe. It does connect to the turbo, but as I said at the time, that's just not a good enough seal to be under turbo pressure and driving air into the engine, and also because that isn't connected to the engine, that's just the air cleaner up on top. So with this particular setup, there's another big engine cover, goes down over the top of that as well. Here's the top of the air cleaner. So there it is. That connects to your cold air, and this is the air that comes, the clean air, because it has to be filtered through your air cleaner, comes in and down to the turbocharger.